Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Gadi, and today I'm going to Naivas supermarket just to buy a fridge and surprise my love. Like, like there's something which you lack in the house and you just sacrifice yourself for it. It's the day. Let's go. These are the fridge. This 34,046. So guys, actually what made me to came here, I had an offer of Mika company. Ilikuwa na offer of 40% offer. That's why I came, and I said like I will use this opportunity of the offer to surprise my love with a fridge. But unfortunately, as I've arrived here and I'm not offer which I was told. I think it's only for the shops of Mika company, but here I'm not seeing any offer. So I wanted to use this opportunity, like buying a fridge of 46,000 at 40%. That's like 18,000. Yeah, and it's a nice fridge. Oh guys, I'm disappointed. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Meet me on my next video.